Hello guys, in this video I will be explaining how to install a Oracle VirtualBox. So just go to browser and type VirtualBox. You can get VirtualBox download. Make sure that you go to the VirtualBox website. So I can go to this website. Okay, once you go there, make sure that you are in a VirtualBox website. If you are downloading from other place, it may be an older version. You may go directly to the download. If not, you can click this to download. They have quite a number of documentation. You can check there. We are installing for a Windows. So click on the Windows. The exe will start to download automatically. It's around 100 MB file. Okay, here we go. My download is ready. You can open this, double click, and you can open the file. It's preparing to install. So just simple steps, not that complicated. Next, leave it to default. If you want to change the location, but it's not advisable to change the location of the file that's going to be installed. So next, so all the options below, at the first leave it default. Don't disturb the default setting. Next, so this will reset some of our network interface. So just give yes. Some of the additional software will be installed if needed. So you can just click install. So this will start to install now. One of the most important thing that you have to, okay, in my case I have a admin user. Okay, to start to install, make sure that you the boot setting you allow for the virtualization. The virtualization should be allowed in the boot setting. So if you have the problem in boot setting, so you can just give install here. In the beginning of your Windows starting, you go to your boot setting and you change enable for the virtualization. Ready to start? Finish. It's launching. So this is how your virtual box initial interface look like. Okay, then you can go to new. You can assign a name. Let's say you put Red Hat. So automatically it's selected. Here is the Linux one. Then you have a Red Hat 32-bit, 64-bit. You can select that and import the image ISO file from the. You have to download from Red Hat. So you download from Red Hat. So then you click next. Assign the memory. You check the total size of your memory. Most of the time, 4 GB is. Most of the time, recommend to have a 4 GB of RAM so that you can have a 4 GB is advisable. Okay. So you can create and then you can add from your virtual disk, or if you are using from existing virtual hard disk, you can click create. Here we go. That's it. Thank you for watching.